Hi, my name is Kieran Pierce, and I'm doing this project called Grocersmart. What this project is basically a system that will deliver personalized results to users with not only the closest grocery stores to them, but also a personalized list of their groceries, including price and coupons at these stores. Now, what this project will look like is an app across Windows, Apple, and Android devices that will go out and collaborate with third-party stores to bring the user these accurate and updated prices and coupons for their stores that they're interested in. Right here is a context level diagram of what it will look like. You will of course have the users who will input into the system their personal info for their account so that Grocersmart can deliver to them personalized results. It will also put in their desired grocery items so that Grocersmart knows what their list looks like, and if the user comes across an item in a store that is inconsistent with what the Grocersmart system has, the user can put in this updated price info and Grocersmart will update that. Now of course in return, Grocersmart gives the user all types of grocery information like directions to the store, prices, and coupons. Grocersmart also works with third-party stores, sending them price requests and coupons and specials requests, and in return these third-party stores gives Grocersmart system the price info and the coupon and the specials info. Now to blow this up and show you a level 0 diagram of what this is, we have that right here. Now of course everything functions around the user, so the user puts in their personal information into the account creation process. This account creation process then puts this into a user database. It also sends the user either a success or error message on whether their account was created. The user will then put their desired groceries into this grocery list formation process. This grocery list formation process pulls the user's shopping list history and their user info so that it can deliver to them personalized results and what their past lists have been so they can quickly and easily make new ones. Of course, it then puts their shopping list into this user database so that it can give the shopping list history later. In order for this grocery list formation process to be able to do this accurately, it of course needs to pull the prices from this grocery prices and coupons database. Now in order to get that information into this database, it uses this price retrieval process. This price retrieval process goes out and does price requests and coupon requests to third-party stores. This will be in the form of a web crawler, where the web crawler will go out and most stores have all their prices on their websites. So we'll take all their grocery information, put it into this price retrieval process, which then will go into this database. For any stores who don't have that, Grocersmart will collaborate and make it so that that store can put their prices directly into Grocerysmart's database. And stores will want to do this because it will not only be free advertising, but help them stay competitive and be really beneficial to them. Now the next thing that this grocery list formation process needs is it needs to know where the stores are located that's pulling from. And that will of course be with this store locator process. So what the store locator process it does is, first of all, pull all store locations from this store location database. The store location database gets its information from the third-party stores. This will just simply be a web crawler, pulls information off the websites of where all the stores are, updates once weekly to make sure it's always updated and accurate, and will then have this store locator be able to pull all their store locations. The store locator will also access the GPS within the mobile device. This is an external entity. Basically, this external entity will return the store locator where the user is located, so the store locator can then identify which store locations from this database it wants to narrow down and focus in on. This mobile GPS device will also give the user's location to the directions to stores process. And this directions to stores process also pulls all store locations from the all store locations database so that it has the store's address. This then takes the addresses of the stores and the address from the user, puts it into MapQuest, another external entity. MapQuest gives back directions to the stores. This directions to the stores process then gives all its information of its directions to this grocery list formation. So this grocery list formation will have the nearby stores right here, just their address, and also directions to it that the users can select. Then in return, this grocery list process will give back to the user directions to the stores and their grocery lists, including coupons and price info. The last thing to note is that users can put updated price and coupons into the system, but there has to be a price check process because a user could technically put in like $800 for a bag of flour, which obviously would not be accurate, but if there was no system to check it, that's what they could do. So this will basically be an algorithm that pulls from the database that's already there, the coupons and prices, and if the new updated price is within the range of this algorithm and seems like it would be a likely and probable updated price, then this price check process will put this new confirmed price into the database, and that will be the new price. If this new price is outside the database or the algorithm's range, then it will discard the price and do nothing. So as a whole, that's what this app looks like, and thanks for watching. I think this will be a really successful app.